Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 Show, rainy day schedule episode. Okay? Well, I got some good news. The rainy day schedule is over. And guess what? It stopped raining. The sun came out and it's cloudy. Well, let me just go look outside. Ain't no sun out. It's a teeny pinch bit cool out. Oh, wait. Oh, and by the way, folks, my next door neighbor's chair been turned upside down and stuff like that. When I looked down on the balcony floor, I thought I seen a piece of chair or whatever. All right, so I think I might give y'all 2, 3, or 4 clips. Okay, on this last section of the rainy day schedule episode. Okay, well. Either way, I don't know, but check it out.